Hello, in today's channel reading, we will take guidance of universe in the area of twin flame harmonious union. So, as you are moving forward with your twin flame and healing your blocks, how universe is supporting you to make further step and what exactly universe wants you to currently work on so that you go closer with your twin flame. So I'll pull cards and I will share what is the channeling on the feeling that is happening. So the first card is attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any other form of separation are merely calls for help. Universe knows where you are at. So you can numb out to your own feelings, but universe knows. You cannot hide all that thing within you. So it looks like on your harmonious union journey you are giving a lot of power to separation. It feels like you believe that separation that you are experiencing is true, and here exactly universe wants to communicate back to you that all that attack, pain and fear and judgment and any other form of separation are merely calls for help. How do you understand, somebody is actually attacking you or judging you, how that can be a call for help, right? Because our programming is when somebody is judging me, then I will defend like anything, right? Or somebody is attacking me, then I will also go back and attack. But you need to see whatever the energy is within you, there is a separation energy within you. That's why you are seeing that in your reality. So engaging externally with all this energy is actually going to increase that. If you feel like you will be very smart, that's a common belief that I will be very smart if I get into the attack and win it, or I have a counter attack on the judgment. Okay, and I will be able to believe, take the pain, take more pain every day. That makes me strong. So like the more pain I can take or the more suffering I can go through, then I will become more strong, then God will be with me. Somewhere there is a belief that with all this separation pain only will get attention of God. That's not true. So when you actually give your power mean you engage with this energy when it is happening externally, you actually attract more of this situation in your life. So it is always good that rather engaging with it, understand where that energy is within you and heal that within you, so that you don't engage with these situations or you don't engage with separation anymore, right? You want your harmonious union, you want a life that is full of love and peace. So it is always good to empty your life from all the attack, pain, fear and judgment, right? When you only can empty all that thing, you can invite the energy of love and peace. Okay, so I'll go to the next card. So the next card looks like a complementing, confirmation or strengthening of your choices. The card is happiness is my birthright. Do you believe when you are in the separation? You will not believe, right? Like you feel like you are far apart from happiness. But here universe is giving you the message. God didn't create you to experience those things, right? In the previous card what we have shared, God created you to experience happiness only. Okay, and you should have this choice that yes, happiness is my birthright. And if you are going to be happy with your twin flame, so then the right way to do that is to start becoming happy with yourself. That will attract your twin flame. If you are staying with a thought that once my twin flame is back with me, then I will be happy, it's not going to happen that way, because your twin flame is going to respond to the energy that is within you. So when you hold, you not hold, when you reach the vibration of happiness within you, when you reach the vibration of joy within you, you will attract your twin flame in the energy of happiness. Like both of you will share the moment of happiness together. So till the time your twin flames joins you, you are your own twin flame. So do that with yourself by being with yourself. So I am pulling the next card and I'm getting all the cards straight. That's a good thing that I'm getting all the cards straight. Okay, so the next card is, I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I choose love. All these cards are confirming and complementing to each other and actually taking you deeper and deeper with a message that you choose love, because universe actually responds to the choices that you make. Okay, so when you recognize that you have chosen fear, when you see like when you see judgment, when you see pain, when you see attack, so you recognize, because all those situations actually take you to a place of fear only. So any of these feelings are going to make you feel scared, right? So when you are seeing that, so you need to confront to yourself that you have only chosen fear, you have given power to that fear, right? And the choice of power is with you. The power of choice is with you, right? That's your power. You choose with your free will, correct? So when you have the free will and you come to know that you are giving power to fear, and here universe is communicating with you, right? Directly communicating with you. So then it is time to make a new choice, time to choose again. The moment you start choosing love, you will start seeing the tremendous shift in your life naturally. Okay, so then I will just pull another supporting card and then I will close it. So all this like 3 cards are actually directing you when you are in the separation energy. It's a deeper call to release those separation consciousness and choose love. It's a direct communication that you choose love, because only when you choose love, then only universe will respond in that energy, because you want to see love in your life, you don't want to see separation anymore, right? So I'll just take a confirmation card. Beautiful. Its message is like, I am a spirit having a human experience and I am here to get closer to love. Even the confirmation card is guiding you to your divinity. You are a divine spirit, right? If you are seeing yourself only, if you are seeing your body only, external body only, then you are seeing something different, like something that is not going to give you what you want. You have to start recognizing beyond your body. Okay, you have to start recognizing that you are spirit and you are currently experiencing the human form. and you really want to get closer and closer to love. That's why you have met your twin flame, and you are healing your separation consciousness. And these cards are looking like and guiding you towards love, or even like maybe there is a energy of harmonious union, and maybe there is some meeting that is planned up and that is going to happen naturally. So claim this love within you, and let the miracle happen naturally, because all these cards are having a sign something harmonious. It's just up to your choice. Just release the separation. You can end the separation in a night, right? In just one night you can end the separation. Just release everything within you and enjoy your harmonious union. Thank you.